Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you what the SR channel is. So let's check this out. This is a new tool that I've been using because I'm looking for support and resistance lines, and I want to start playing those when we do some trading. All right, so the red and the green boxes right now are SR channel. So green, obviously, or it should be obvious, means that it's a support channel. Red means that it's a resistance channel. As you can see on Bitcoin right here on the daily, we have quite a bit of those. We've got 4 resistance channels and we've got 1 support channel. The support channel is a channel that says that should Bitcoin go into this range, then it should reverse. It doesn't mean that it will. It doesn't mean that there's a high likelihood. It just means that it should reverse from this range. And you can see that it goes from a range low of 60,000 in this instance to around 62,500. So what happened after it hit into that range right there? Well, if you had taken a long position inside this green zone, then you'd be doing pretty well right now. In fact, because it's up to 71,000, we're at 70,500 right now at the time of recording this, with a high of 74,200 not that long ago. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at this thing as an opportunity to enter into trades. These are going to be my trade setups. As a matter of fact, if you look at it on the 4-hour, you can see there's several support zones that have propped up along the way. Now, one of the pieces of this, as I found out, is that SR channel flips these things from green to red, depending on the direction that the market is going in. Not where it predicts the market's going, but where the market actually is going. So as you can see right now, off of this, we got a nice little bounce, which led into creating this resistance channel. Then we got a nice bounce over here, creating a support channel, came back up, met the resistance, got rejected, came back down to the support, came back up here. This became a resistance channel, by the way, this green, the green one right here, and then came back down, broke through, came back down. So this is our resistance area. So if you're entering a trade right now on the 4-hour, this is not the place to enter. What you need to wait for would be for this range right here, which the range should stay because it's still a volume range, but a nice little move up here and then a break back down and then a spike from here means that you would probably, this would flip green and then you would start to run up to the next red area or the next red zone. On the 1-hour, as you can see right here, we are sitting halfway between one green area and one red area. So what we're looking for is we're basically looking for opportunities for spikes in transaction volume or something like that to make a surge. So I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be using this. If you want to go download this, come up here to indicators, click on indicators, type in SR channel. When you do, it says support resistance channels by Lonesome. And there's about 39,000 people who have downloaded it right now in our current. So that's it. So use this one and see what it does. I'm trading, by the way. KCEX is where I'm doing my longs and shorts right now. And I've been pretty successful over the last bunch of days using SR channel and using the 50-day and 200-day moving average. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is a private video. This is only for people who have subscribed and are paying customers. We'll talk to you again